So now we're gonna start with full stack applications, and to do that we're gonna start with the backend and then with the front end. So to work with the backend we're gonna use this app called Postman, or you can use your web browser for now, since we're gonna start with the backend, so we don't have no means of working with the front end. We have nothing in the front end. So to do that we are gonna go and create a new folder, and we can just name it, let me see, full stack. Yeah, full stack is fine. And from here we are gonna, let me see, open in terminal, so I can type in code space that, so we can open it with Visual Studio Code. And full stack, we have a new folder and we're gonna name it backend, so it's gonna be our backend. And inside of this folder we're gonna have a file, so it's gonna be server.js, like that. And here we are just gonna have console.log, so this is not Java, this is JavaScript, console.log. And we don't need a semicolon at the end, but inside single quotes we can just type in hello YouTube, like that. And we can just leave it like that. So we have we have our backend and we have our server so far. So I'm gonna open my integrated terminal using a window, so I'm gonna press Ctrl plus tilde, and from here I'm just gonna type in npm init, like that. And this is gonna create a package.json. So what is, let me see, package name. So let me see, let's start with just bikes. Okay, so bikes. Version, you can put it, just press enter, description, enter, entry point, that would be server.js. So let me see, what else do we have here? Test command, get repository, keywords, author. We can just leave it like that. We can put in MIT for license. Is this okay? Yeah, just pressing or typing yes. And as you can see we have a package.json right now, and it's not inside of the backend folder, but it's in the root. So make sure that this is in the root and not inside of the in the backend folder. Okay, so let me see. So now we are let me see, we are still in the, make sure that we are in the root, and we are gonna use this one. So it's gonna be the get ignore. Okay, so because we're gonna put we don't wanna use the node module, so when we send it we don't wanna use the, let me see, this one, node underscore let me see, modules. And also we don't wanna use the .env for the variables. Okay, so we can, this has to be in the root, the get ignore. And now we are gonna deal with, let me see, express. So to do that we go our integrated terminal again. We can just Ctrl S to clean it up. And now we're gonna install express. We're gonna also install the .env for the variables, and it's gonna be npm, so npm express, like that, npm I express. Then we're gonna have the .env, let me see, .env, that's fine. We're gonna also use Mongoose, because as a database we're not gonna use MySQL, but we're gonna use MongoDB. So we're gonna use, we need Mongoose, like that, and just some colors. Okay, let me see, and yeah, that would be it. So express the .env for the variables, and let me see, colors. So, and this might take a little bit, let me see. Okay, so yeah, everything is fine. Okay, so let me see, we're gonna type in, or we have our package.json. Yeah, that's fine. We also have our node module, so we have installed this node underscore module, so that's when we send it to to GitHub. We don't want to send these node modules because, as you can see, this is a lot, so we don't want to send it. So when we deploy it to AWS, we don't want to send it. Okay, so now we are gonna install a dependency. It's gonna be npm install hyphen lowercase d, and this is gonna be for Nodemon. So it's gonna be Nodemon, so it's gonna pretty much check it out while we run it. So we can just npm Nodemon, that's fine, and just wait a little bit. Yeah, let me see, let me close this one, and now we are here in the package.json, and as you can see, we have the dependency. So we have Nodemon, and now in our dependency we have the colors, the .env, the express, and the mongoose, and now we have scripts, and that is test. So what we want to do is we want to change test, and we're gonna just have a start, and this one we're gonna delete it, and it's gonna be, let me see, node, and it's gonna be node, and it's gonna be the backend. So oops, yeah, backend, and then it's gonna be server, yeah, server.js, and we're gonna have another, so it's gonna be just, let me see, server, and here yeah, inside double quotes it's just gonna be Nodemon, like that. And let me see, so what else do we need here? Okay, so we're gonna have the scripts that is gonna be Nodemon, and well, the second one has to be pretty much the same. So let me just grab this one and put it right here, so we can save it for now. So we have the node and the Nodemon that is going to be watching our server, so we can save it. And now we can just type in npm, so let me see, server and start. So if we go into our incorporated terminal, control plus tilde, and we type in npm run, and the script name that we change it now is start. Make sure that you save it with Control S. So mine is already saved, so I have start and I have server. So npm run server, and let's see if Nodemon is watching it. So as you can see in our backend, the server, it only says hello, let me see, hello YouTube, like that. Save it and let's run it to see what happens. As you can see, Nodemon, yeah, bikes is the name of this project, server Nodemon, and here hello YouTube. So to restart anytime, enter rs. Okay, so to restart at any time, just press enter rs. So let me see, oops, let me see if I want to change it. So hello, just hello YouTube, like that. Save it, and hello YouTube. So I already did it automatically.